inside the mail today. Seems that you had a lot of important things you was trying to say.
Sweeper.
You was beating around the bush, but I was reading between them lines, and I had a long talk with myself.
Gotta get it all.
So I figured it's time.
Underneath, you know what I mean?
You see, before I wasn't ready for the things you wanted. I couldn't give you what you deserved.
Yeah, it's under.
But now the tables is turned for me, sweetheart. You see, I'm making records now, you know. Yeah, I'm getting paid and all that. So now I think it's time to tell you that I love you because I do.
I'm gonna demonstrate how fast it takes.